up, YouTube family? It's your girl Chrissy, and thank you for tuning in to another episode of the Chrissy Experience. If you are a new watcher, thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much again for supporting me. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me at It's Chrissy with 4 Ys. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how I cut my Chinese bang half up, half down on my frontal wig. This whole process for me was new, so I'm just kind of getting my hands dirty and whatnot. I wasn't kind of a huge fan of how the bangs turned out, but I guess, like I said, it's just practice for me. So what I'm doing right here is I'm just going over with my hot comb the bang, as you can see, so I can straighten it out a little more. And then I went over it with my flat iron so it can be a little bit more straight, so you won't have any of those frizzy little things as you can see at the top. So I'm just trying to get rid of that. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in again. Don't mind those clothes in the background, y'all, and that outdated ass calendar. That's not the focus here. I went and got me a little wig stand head, y'all. I think I ordered it too big, but it still will do for now. But yeah, I'm just gonna shut up and let y'all watch the process, and I will see y'all later. Peace. So right here, I think I kind of cut the bangs a little too short. Yeah. This is just a learning process. Something to do, something I really enjoy doing. I love styling hair, I love wigs, I love all that shit. But yeah, I don't think I really did a good job with these bangs the first go around, but we'll see how it goes the second time. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Before I put it on my head, let me know what y'all think. All right, I'm back, and this is the, I don't want to say finished product, but my hair is braided, so I'm just gonna go ahead and, if I gotta add some more hair to this bang, I will, because I'm really not confident about it, honestly, like I said earlier, but we'll see. So we're gonna go ahead and, I primed my face already. Let me turn this light down. I primed my face already. Okay, that's better lighting. I primed my face already, so we're gonna go ahead and lay this frontal and bring her down just like that. Okay. I look like freaking Tina Turner, like a 80s rock star. Yep, we're just gonna bring her down like that. Like that, sis. Just like that. I think I need to freaking... Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna clip her back like that. Use this clip to clip this side back. And I'm just gonna let this part hang out. How about that? Okay, but anywho, what y'all been up to? Miss y'all. So we're gonna be using Gots to Be Today's a fresh can, and we're going to freaking lay this bad boy. Okay, so like I said, my face is primed already, so we're gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. I want to show y'all my new brush set that I got from Amazon. It's called the Shani. I used some already, but it's called the Shani brush set. It comes in, oh Lord, I don't know how many is in here. I'm sorry, I forgot to count, but it Came in this brush set. I forgot to count, but this brush set came like this, and as you can see, I used some of it already. Oops, I'm sure I'll be needing that. I just want to take the time out to say, like, I just slayed the F out that brow, okay? All right, go back to watching. I don't want to bother y'all. So I'm going in with the blended concealer brush I got from Shani, that Shani brush set I purchased from Amazon. I'll go ahead and put that link down below. That sun was really beaming in my face. It was a beautiful sunset, but I just couldn't work with that. But yeah, I was very impressed with the way it blended my eyebrows, because that was the first time I really used a brush instead of a sponge, a satin sponge. So I could tell the difference too as well. It looks very better. It looks very beat, and it looks very blended and pressed in. So yeah. I don't know what the heck was going on with that with that dispenser. It was really giving me a hard time, so I just decided to just put a little bit, rub it on my little face a little bit. It's a little bit dropped on my chest too, so I just went ahead and rubbed that in also. So yeah, let me shut my mouth. Also, my niece and nephew was a little mad at me for my last video because they didn't like me drinking my wine. So I just like, you know what? I'm not gonna do that no more. Sorry, y'all. I love y'all. Y'all my babies. But I like to drink my wine every now and then. Yeah. So this video should be a little better for y'all. It's a little filtered. You see, I'm not really talking that much. So we're just gonna buff that concealer on out with a flat brush from my brush set. And I was very pleased with the finished look from this. Instead of using my makeup sponge, it really gave it a nice finish. And I went ahead and buffed the eyeshadow primer with concealer out on my eyelids too with that same brush. So make sure you, ladies, I would recommend honestly using a brush to buff everything out instead of a makeup sponge, because it works better and it looks way better. So I'm going ahead to contour my face with the NARS concealer. It works way better than the MAC concealer, the MAC dark concealer, to be honest. I don't know why. It seems like the MAC darker shades, it's never really the right shade, but NARS has the perfect shade for my skin for contouring. So I'm going to be using the Ipsy, that's how it's pronounced, y'all, by the way. I did learn how to pronounce it. The Ipsy eyeliner pencil I got from my Ipsy December monthly subscription. I also got a few other stuff with my subscription as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and use that. I wasn't really used to using the thicker eyeliner pencil or eyeliner marker, whatever you want to call it. I kept messing up a few times before I recorded this one, and as you can see, it's still kind of messed up a little bit. And I'm just enhancing my little cute little beauty mark below my mouth. Yeah, it's a little messed up in the corner, but I'll go back later on and I'll fix it. Don't worry about it, y'all. But yeah, that's one of the other items and products I got from my Ipsy monthly subscription. All right, now this setting brush, this bronzer brush was the other item I got with my Ipsy monthly subscription, and it feels great. It feels wonderful to my skin, y'all. It's so fluffy, it's so big, and I love it. I really, really love it. I want to go back and purchase a darker bronzer so that y'all can be able to see how good this brush presses on to my skin. So this really is it. I'm really happy and super excited that they gave me this brush. Okay, you guys, so this is my third item that came in my Ipsy monthly makeup subscription. The eyeshadow palette is called Ipsy. It comes with 4 neutral shades, like a smoky shade. It's wonderful for everyday wear, and I love it. I love the way it turned out, and I love the way it came onto my skin. I love the way it pressed onto my skin. I didn't really have to put a lot. Yeah, it stretches a long way. It goes a long way. So I was really happy with this product as well. Shout out to Ipsy. I will be putting the link down below so y'all can see the subscription for the December looks that they included in the package. All right. So with this brush, I just kind of went ahead and just kind of pressed and matched the colors together. So overall, this eyeshadow palette is like a neutral, gives pretty neutral vibes. So you can wear this with pretty much anything, and that's what I love. I love a good eyeshadow palette where it comes with natural neutral colors, because I'm a neutral, soft glam kind of girl. So this was right up my alley. All right, sis. Now we're done with the makeup. So I'm just gonna take my scarf off to see how these bangs laid. Ooh, child. I'm going to actually take some time out to myself off camera just to get these bangs together. I'm gonna flat iron them out in a little bit, just kind of brush it out, comb it out, whatever I need to do, because this hair kind of seemed like it didn't take too good to cut. So I will be right back, you guys, after I finish combing this out. Alright, so we're about to see the finished product of everything. Let's unveil. Ooh. Okay, so I think I needed to do that. A good scarf and some mousse and some Gots to Be did the trick, it seems like. So now I'm kind of feeling the bangs a little bit. I'm kind of not regretting that I cut these bangs. So yeah, if you guys want to see any other looks that I should try, comment down below. Again, if you're not following me on Instagram, on both my channels at It's Chrissy Vlogs and on my personal page at It's Chrissy with 4 Ys, I would greatly appreciate it. If you're a new watcher, please again subscribe. Thank you to everybody who's been supporting me along the way through this beauty journey. I appreciate you. I love you. See y'all later. Peace. Happy New Year.